I'm got no. It's a project. If I had to beg you for your sympathy, I said I don't mind, 'cause you mean very much to think about it, girl.
Ain't too proud, baby.
Don't say that.
Sweet darling,
Alright, please don't leave me, girl.
don't you go.
You're too proud to leave me.
Baby,
Oh, I ain't lying. Please don't leave me now, mama.
don't you
Don't leave me now. Don't leave me now. Go down, shake my head. I got no sense of pride. If I had to beg, please, for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean very much to me, think about it, sure.
ain't too proud, baby.
I was saying,
Sweet darling,
I'm messing around, please don't leave me, girl.
don't you go.
Hey, I ain't too proud to leave me. Say what? Please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go.
Don't leave me now, baby. I get hot now. Yeah. He's on South Indian docks. They lift this boy named Big Bob Cox. Tudo was that special came for a kid. Bottle service was violent, and our papa said, "Young boy, make me proud. Learn a song, play it loud. 'Cause this country music should go deep within. So sit down, boy, listen in. Now here's the fiddle, here's the bow. The sunshine is here to sing. Popular! What is it, boy? Are you feeling sick? Big Bob said with all respect, I need you soul with my music. Oh, so I got to have reggae music, boy. I don't need no country band feeling. I need a real cool sound. See, Bobby got bad, but he did not shout. He said, now, what does your sound sing about? Sneak Pop left, came back with the radio. He said, here's something I gotta know. It's a heavy drum, it's a heavy bass, and a social message, it's in that bass. So pop it down, he began to move. So I feel it, son, feeling good. So they said, we show what our music for. We got to have reggae music. We don't need a country band feeling. We need a real cool sound. Everybody said, we know. Say what? We got to have reggae music. Yeah. make this place out, it's true. What do you mind? This is what don't stop. Too much goodbye, no shot. The sound just made it, made no joke. So we brought out what I'm looking for. This is what I say. So without music, everybody, we got to have
Reggae music.
yeah. We don't need no country man feeling. We need a real cool sound. We need soul without music, yeah. We got to have
Reggae music.
bars. We don't need no country man feeling. We need a real cool feeling. Nobody loves me like the wish. Everybody sing it with me now. What you say? And from the first time that she really